So the major product obtained by the reaction of phenol and carbon dioxide with sodium hydroxide. So phenol first reacts with sodium hydroxide and it forms sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide with carbon dioxide finally gives salicylic acid. Okay. So major product here is salicylic acid and the reaction is coal-based reaction. Okay. Phenol first converts into phenoxide ion and with the CO2 we get salicylic acid, orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, so you can write like this also, orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid. Next, electrophile and intermediate formed in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform in presence of alkali. Okay. So chloroform produces electrophile. Okay. So that is CCl2 electrophile. Carbon, it produces carbon, CCl2 with a lone pair of electron. So this is the electrophile. And we get benzol chloride intermediate there. Okay. Benzol chloride intermediate. So this is benzol chloride intermediate. Okay. So electrophile and intermediate which are formed in Riemann-Tiemann reaction. They are carbene. Okay. So CCl2 and benzol chloride intermediate. Okay. So this is the correct option. Next. Phenol is converted into salicylaldehyde by coal-based reaction. Cannizzaro reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. So phenol converted into salicylaldehyde. This reaction is name reaction, which is very important reaction, which is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Just now I told you. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol undergoes reaction with chloroform and sodium hydroxide. We get benzol chloride intermediate there. From benzol chloride intermediate, finally we get salicylaldehyde. Okay. Salicylaldehyde is the final product. And the reaction is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Okay. Next. 2-methylphenol. Okay. So what is 2-methylphenol? So 2-methylphenol. Methylphenols are called cresols. Okay. If a methyl substitution is at second position. Okay. This is called orthocresol. Okay. 2-methylphenol means ortho position is occupied with the CH3 group. So orthocresol. Okay. Next. Next, the general formula of ethers is ethers general formula. So ethers are alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols. And we can represent ethers with the formula CnH2n plus 2O. Okay. CnH2n plus 2O. For example, diethyl ether is there. Diethyl ether C2H5O, C2H5. So C4H10O. Okay, C4H10O. So if N is 4, okay. So if you substitute N with 4, we get diethyl ether formula. Okay, C4H10O. So its formula is CnH2n plus 2O. Okay. Next, the reaction RX, here it is alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide, RONA, sodium alkoxide. We get ROR. ROR is general formula of ether and sodium halide. So this reaction is called, okay. So it is a very important reaction which is used for the preparation of ethers. So that is Williamson synthesis, okay. Alkyl halides undergoes reaction with sodium alkoxide. We get ether along with the formation of sodium halide. So this is Williamson synthesis, okay. Next. So this is ether having two aromatic rings, okay. So in presence of hydrogen iodide, it gets reacts with hydrogen iodide. We get two products, P and Q, okay. So when hydrogen iodide gets reacts with the ethers, unsymmetrical ethers, iodide ion linked with alkyl group which having more hydrogen atoms, okay. Carbon which having the more hydrogen atoms. So this is the group having more hydrogen atoms. So iodide linked here, CH2I. So we get this compound, CH2I. And hydrogen linked with this, okay. And we get phenol, okay. So benzyl iodide and phenol. These are the products obtained in this reaction, okay. Next, ether COC bond in ether, that is cleaved way, breakage of COC bond. So that is with hydrogen iodide. Ethers gets reacts with the hydrogen iodide, okay. So this is the reaction with hydrogen iodide. Next, which of the following reagent will form diethyl ether from ethanol? So preparation of diethyl ether from ethyl alcohol, that is dehydration reaction, removal of water molecule, dehydration reaction. So dehydration takes place with 2 moles of ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees centigrade. We get diethyl ether. So this is the reaction which takes place generally, okay. So here reagent is concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees centigrade. Here temperature is given in Kelvin scale, okay. So option is H2SO